it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. How's everybody doing today? Today we are doing a live sale of our wooden frames. There's going to be a mixture, so when you jump on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. I'm going to share this out. If you could do the same, that would be awesome. I was going to almost do things all out of order, which would have been funny. So, let me find out where I'm live. There we go. Oh, no, you have this in upside down. So now there we go. There we go. Oh, later. Hi, Mama. First time I seen you jump on with me. I'm just going to get this shared out. I'm Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. I'm a chalk tour designer. Check out my page at Telly's Talkin' Chalk. And my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chalk VIP. And also check out my website, tellystalkinchalk.ca. You can also find me on Instagram and YouTube. Almost said Facebook. Well, yeah, that would be a problem if you can't find me on Facebook, and that's where I'm at. So, how are you, Mama? I'm just going to get this shared out to some groups. Yay, they gave me the easy way to do it again. Facebook is really weird on ways that they like to share things out. So just give me a minute. I got a bunch of places that I like to get myself out there. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below and I will answer them as I see them. There, that should be enough for right now. I'm going to push that back. So these are all just finished pieces that I have. I've been going through and selling them off. So this one is a double one, so this can be used for Christmas, be merry. Or if you just want to tell everybody to... There we go. Be merry. Sorry, I'm getting used to everything being backwards on me. And then this is a double-sided frame, so we also have, I know that my Redeemer liveth. Am I at least in the right spot? Because again, you've got this in the, you've got this backwards and I'm upside down on my.
I know, I'm fixing that.
Okay, so I'm just going to leave that there until it's fixed, so I know that you've seen it right. There we go. I'll show the other side again, just because. Oh, this time I'm putting it too far out. Last time I wasn't putting it far enough. So that is that first piece. I'm going to move that across. And then we have, oh, we're trying to be all Christmassy today. Oh, what fun. Am I right this time? Yes.
Look towards you.
Am I too far?
There.
The bigger ones are harder to figure out exactly where to put it. I like leaving it long enough so that if you're in the replay, you can hashtag replay first off, And second off, you can even take a screenshot if you want to tell me what ones you're interested in. Oh, we are so going down Christmas Lane today. I'm liking this, but it's funny. Season's greetings. I didn't realize how many Christmas ones I have sitting here. Although Shandy did say it was cold today.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, are you still here? You're not talking to me. What are you doing? Alright. We had a Christmas yet? Yep. This one is one I'd like for like a boy's room. It reminds me of like a little boy's thing. I don't know what to say. And it's really cute. I should actually fix that up, that one part, now that I got my gray fixed. Or my silver, or whatever it's called. Then we have, I'm going to make a big bang. Oh, let your heart be your compass. Shh, that's what's telling me. Okay, just making sure. I could tell that there were still 2 people here, but you're just not talking to me, so I didn't know. Hey, everybody else that's jumping on. I'm Chantel. I'm with Telly's Talking Chalk. I'm a Chalkateur designer. Then we have show up every day. So far this week I have. Last week wasn't so consistent. Trying to get better at that. What just popped up now? I don't know, you just popped something up on my screen.
Yeah, what's your name?
Okay. I just saw something really quick pop up and then go away as fast as I saw it. There we go. And then we have 3 more pieces I just want to show. So these ones are actually, you know what? I'm going to show the last one at the same time. And then I'm going to show the other 2 because they go together. Then there's Love Knows No Boundaries. I did the, not hot mess, ombre look on this one. I always get those names mixed up. And I know the difference, And then these ones I like together. I think they're cute. But they're very different. This one is Nothing Can Dim the Light That Shines From Within. Wow, I actually said that one.
And those ones are ready to hang.
Yeah. So if you like any of these, I can price them for you. These last 2 will be a bit more because they are pre-ready for hanging. I spent a little bit more money on them to hang them. So you can hit me up in my messages. And then there is Bless Our Next. Now this one I will say, I can still put a name, depending on how long your family name is in that. I can have letters, I can make it. I just left it open in case, like, for any specific person that wants it. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you liked what you've seen. And if you want any of that, just message me, let me know. And I will see you on Monday with even more stuff to sell. See you later, guys. Bye.